Welcome Odooers! I'm Isabel from the Point of Sale and IoT Expertise team. In this video, we will guide you through the configuration of compatible receipt printers in Odoo, with the need of an IoT box. These printers allow you to automatically print a receipt as soon as an order is validated in your point of sale. First thing first, before connecting any printer, ensure it is compatible with Odoo. That comes down to supported protocols, the way printers and systems talk to each other. Think of it like speaking the same language. If your printer doesn't speak the same language or use the same protocol, it won't work with Odoo. So, which protocol does Odoo support thanks to the IoT box? The ESC Post Communication Protocol with USB, Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity. Printers with the ePost Communication Protocol, as they also have the ESC Post Printing one, so you could also connect it with the IoT box. The ones with USB connectivity must have the IoT box for being able to connect it to Odoo. In this case, is the one I will be using, an Epson printer with USB connectivity. So, we will need an IoT box. Let's first plug the printer into the IoT. We will take the USB port that is connected to the printer and we will plug it into the IoT. Voila. My ePost printer is already connected to the power, so the last thing I will need is to plug the IoT to the power as well. I will turn on my printer. And now, let's wait a bit. The printer will automatically print a ticket with the IP address on it, and thanks to that, we will be able to connect it to our database. Voila, here we have it. In Odoo, let's open the IoT app, and we will need to click in Connect. In this case, I will not do it because my IoT is already connected, but if you are interested in how to connect an IoT box, you can check our YouTube video about this topic. In this case, as you can see here, I already have my IoT, and if I open it, as you see my device, it's already recognizing all the compatible devices that are in the same network or directly plugged into my IoT. Here, the first one, it's our printer, so it's visible here, nice. The good thing is that the SSL certificate goes through the IoT, so no need to import it as we need to do with the direct devices sometimes. This is good to know. Now that the printer is configured and secure with its certificate, let's test the connection inside Odoo. For that, I will go to my point of sale application, to my configuration settings, and I will make sure that my IoT is activated and my Epson printer is connected and selected. So I will scroll down and I will activate this option. In here, if I take the receipt printers, voila, here I have my Epson, so I will select it and I will save my changes. Now let's see how this works. I will open my point of sale and I will create a sales. I will proceed to the payment. And that's it. The receipt is coming out automatically and printed in my checkout. As you can see, it's a very seamless process and very beneficial for your business. If your receipt printer isn't working with the IoT box, don't worry, it happens. First, make sure everything's plugged in and turned on, and try restarting both, the printer and the IoT box. That alone fixes a lot of issues. If you are getting blank receipts or error messages, ensure the paper is oriented correctly as it has two sides, and that nothing is jammed, of course. Also, double-check the printer settings on the IoT box and try a test print directly from the printer to see if it works on its own. For connectivity problems, make sure you can access the IoT homepage. Make sure both the printer and the IoT box are on the same network. If it's a Wi-Fi printer, a weak signal can cause issues, so keep that in mind. Sometimes, just removing the printer from the IoT box and adding it again clears things up. And if your printer is slow or incomplete, check your cables and make sure your firmware is up to date. A quick restart can clear any glitches too. And that's it. Connecting your receipt printer to the IoT box is really simple once you know the steps. With these tips and troubleshooting tricks, you should be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.